Select Energy Services is the absolute leader in safety in the water services space of the oil field. We spend countless dollars and hours focusing on our safety culture as a whole. Fatigue driving is one of our biggest concerns with all the trucks we have on the road. The other thing is just basic cell phone usage and distracted driving, along with just the amount of heavy traffic on the roads in the oil field that we deal with on a daily basis. We just needed a way to alert our drivers
distracted
as they encountered these various situations throughout their day. We looked at different types of technology. We looked at other ways to alert drivers. Nauto have the most comprehensive package and suite of services that we were looking for.
I currently use Nauto fleet safety applications to see if our drivers are driving safely. Select Energy Services has a zero tolerance on no seatbelt. So with Nauto, we can see videos of people if they're wearing their seatbelt or not and take action if necessary.
We investigate every single driving incident that happens, and what Nauto has allowed us to do is get away from a he said, she said culture and actually have proof positive of what occurred in the driving situation.
They have an incident, we can see it, whose fault was it, or they're trying to blame it on Select, or the guy trying to blame someone else. I mean, we can see what happened.
I absolutely would suggest Nauto to another fleet manager. It is absolutely imperative to have Nauto in your vehicles. It is very clear that Nauto makes a difference in the driving habits of our employees every day.